So, hello guys! Welcome sa crypto trading course na ito. So, kung wala ka pang account in crypto exchange or crypto market, I'll just show you how to create a free account dito sa aming recommended exchange, BitYard na platform. So, to create a free account, napakadali lang. Here, Pinoy Trading Academy 2021. And then, we'll just send a verification code. So, check mo lang yung verification code dun sa email mo. So, pupunta ka lang sa email, tapos kukunin mo lang yung verification code na sinend ng BitYard sa yung email. So, kukunin mo lang yung code. Ito, 103991. So, 103991. Type mo lang dyan. Tapos, gagawa ka ng password para sa iyong account. So, make sure mo lang na hindi mo makakalimutan yung password mo. So, and then, kapag nag-register ka gamit ang link nito, yung link in the description of this video, magkakaroon ka ng 10% discount sa fees ng iyong trades. So, within 30 days. So, make sure you register on that link above. So, click mo lang yung get started and then instantly, meron ka na kaagad account sa BitYard. So, ganun lang kadali mag-register sa BitYard. So, ngayon, papakita ko naman sa iyo yung different features, different functions, kung ano ba yung mga special features na nandito sa BitYard platform. So, ito yung interface ng kanilang site. Napakadali lang tingnan, napakalinis. And then, you can also cash in or deposit your account using your credit card or bank transfer. So, there's a lot of option paano ka mag-fund ng account or mag-fund ng capital sa iyong BitYard account. Pagkatapos, magkakaroon ka ng opportunity to get a mystery box. So, in that mystery box, may chance kang makakuha ng free cryptocurrency or USDT value or USDT amount. So, ito yung mga special features ni BitYard. It is a reliable and regulated platform. So, napakarami nilang licenses sa US, Australia, sa UK, and more. And then they have service diversification. So, you can trade here, not only crypto, you can also trade Forex, you can also trade commodities, gold markets, and many more. And also, you can do a copy trading. So, kung hindi ka pa ganun ka confident sa yung trading skills, pwede mo i-copy yung mga magagaling na trader inside BitYard. And kapag nag-profit sila, you will also take profit. And they also have an easy to deposit and withdraw system. So, napakadali lang mag-deposit ng fiat money o yung cash mo from credit card for banks to crypto. Pwede ka rin mag-deposit dito kung meron kang mga crypto assets from other platform. You can transfer it easily by depositing your assets. So, you can also trade anywhere. Meron silang mobile version ng kanilang platform. So, there are linked into different kind of media and companies. So, napakaganda ng mga partnership ng BitYard. So, here, itutur ko naman kayo sa kaniyang different interface. So, in the markets, makikita mo dito yung different pairs na pwede mong i-trade. Let's start in the spot market. So, they have over 200 pairs in the spot market. So, you can select your favorite coin to trade. Just click mo lang. For example, yung BTC USDT. At dito na ngayon lalabas yung chart. In the next video, doon ko naman ituturo sa iyo kung paano natin i-set up yung crypto trading strategy natin, paano ginagamit yung strategy, paano tayo mag-execute ng trade, at paano natin ma-utilize yung BitYard using our strategy. So, dito, i-explore ko na lang, ituturo ko na lang muna kayo kung ano yung mga different interface na nandito sa chart ng BitYard. So, here, pwede kang mag-search ng any coin na gusto mong i-trade. For example, you want to trade Ethereum, type mo lang ETH USDT or STF USDT. So, depende kung ano yung gusto mong i-trade. Or you can just click here kung gusto mo yung USDC or BUSD pairs. So, you can also click your favorite. Kung meron kang mga favorite coin to trade, pwede mong lagyan ng favorite. So, to do that, you click mo lang tong star on this side. And then, pag titingnan mo siya sa favorite, lalabas na siya dyan. So, ganun lang ka-simple. And then, dito naman, ito yung details ng pair na to. So, yung 1 inch paired with USDT, ito yung current price. Ito yung 24-hour change niya. Ito naman yung high niya for the day. Ito naman yung low niya for the day. And ito naman yung total traded volume. So, importante din na alam mo yung total volume ng isang altcoin or isang coin para malaman mo kung meron bang enough volume na mag-move yung trade. So, dito naman makikita mo yung sell orders at dito naman yung buy orders. And ito yung current price ng isang coin. So, kapag nag-execute ka naman ng trade, ito naman yung gagamitin mo. Ito yung buy trade at ito naman yung sell trade. So, kung magbabuy ka or bibili ka ng coin, input mo lang dito yung desired price mo or i-click mo lang yung price dyan sa sell or buy. Tapos mag-reflect yan automatically dito sa price mo. So, enter mo lang yung amount kung how much yung gusto mong bilhin. You can also use this 20%, 50%, 75 or 100% of your capital. So, dito naman makikita mo yung total USDT na gagamitin mo as margin to buy that asset or to buy that coin. Click mo lang buy. The same with sell. Kung decided ka na sa amount ng bibilin mo, click mo lang yung sell. At after mong gawin yan, makikita mo naman dito sa baba yung open orders mo. Kung ano yung mga binili mong asset. Yung price, yung amount, tsaka yung target profits kung meron man. Dito naman yung order history, tsaka yung trade history. So, napaka-detailed. At ano yung kinaganda ng BitYard compared to other platforms that napakababa ng trading fees ng BitYard kumpara sa market average. So, makakatipid ka talaga dito if you are a volume trader. Let's just say, mabilis kang mag-trade in a day or malaki yung position sizes mo to trade. So, nagmamatter talaga yung trading fees in the long run. So, it's better to use a platform that has a low trading fees. Okay? So it's better to have a platform that has low trading fees. Okay, so punta naman tayo dito sa futures. So in BitYard futures naman, hindi naman ganoon masyadong magkaiba yung interface. Same pa rin, makikita mo dito yung different pairs. Yun nga lang, limited or konti lang yung pairs sa futures market compared sa spot. Mas marami talaga yung spot. And then, yung pinagkaiba is pwede kang mag-long or short sa futures na hindi mo pwedeng gawin sa spot. Ibig sabihin ng long, pwede kang mag-profit kapag yung price is pataas at pwede ka rin mag-profit kapag nag-sell ka or nag-short ka tapos yung price naman is pababa, kagaya nito. So, pwede ka pa rin mag-profit kahit yung price is pababa. Unlike spot, you only take profit kapag nag-uptrend lang yung price. So, yun yung long and short. So, don't worry, again, sa next video, makikita mo yung trade execution. Tapos, kung paano natin ginagamit yung strategy natin. Tapos, dito naman, pwede kang mag-leverage. Ibig sabihin nito, i-multiply lang yung current capital mo. Let's say, for example, meron kang 100 USDT. So, kung gagamit ka ng 5 times leverage, para kang merong 500 USDT to trade. So, ganun lang yung concept ng leverage. So, kung itataas mo yan, let's just say 50x or 50 times multiplier, yung 100 USDT mo, para siyang may value na 5,000 USDT. But of course, you have to take note of the risk by using leverage. The more leverage you use, the more risky your trade is. So, in-explain ko naman yan doon sa next video. So, sundan nyo na lang yung strategy natin kung paano natin ginagamit yung leverage. So, makita mo nga dito yung trading fee rates natin, 0.05%. So, napakababa lang yan kumpara sa ibang trading platform, especially yung mga malalaking trading platforms. So far, yan lang naman yung major difference ng spot at futures. In futures, you can take profit if the price going up. You can also take profit if the price is going down. Then, you can use a leverage to multiply. So, magkakaroon ka ng malaking margin or position size. Dito mo makikita yung balance mo, yung margin remaining, at yung unrealized profit and loss. And dito naman makikita mo yung mga profitable traders na pwede mong i-copy. So pag click mo yan, automatically pwede mong i-copy itong trader na to. Siset mo lang yung amount of USDT na pwede mong, na gusto mong i-risk, which is a minimum of at least 10 USDT. And then you can start copying these traders here. So marami kang makikitang profitable traders dito na pwede mong i-copy. So kapag nag-execute ka naman ng trade dito sa futures, makikita mo dito yung open orders mo. So trade history tsaka yung transaction history. So far, ganun lang yung kasimple ng interface ng BitYard. So hindi siya complicated. So kung gusto mo namang mag-trade ng other markets, you can also trade here commodities. So merong crude oil, merong copper contract, gold contract, silver contract, Dow contract, E-mini Dow, E-mini Nasdaq, and many more. So check mo lang dito yung mga available pairs to trade. At dito naman, you can also trade the major pairs ng foreign exchange or forex market. So nandito yung Australian dollar USD, Euro USD, Pound USD, USD Canadian dollar, US dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Swissy or Swiss franc, and then New Zealand dollar, USD. So in short, you can trade different markets in one place. So pag click mo yan, automatically lalabas dito yung forex chart. So dyan ka naman pwedeng mag-trade ng chart ng forex. So ganun lang, kasimple. So multiple markets in one platform. And then you can do copy trading kung gusto mong mag-copy ng mga profitable traders. So dito mo naman makikita lahat ng profitable traders na pwede mong i-copy instantly. So click mo lang yung copy trade, set mo lang yung settings mo, and then you're good to go to copy trade. So makikita mo dito, napakaraming nagpapakopy ng kanilang trades. Hanapin mo lang yung profitable traders. Alright, so dito naman yung mystery box. Kung gusto mong ma-unlock yung mga mystery boxes, gawin mo lang itong following activities. So dito, pwede kang makapag-open ng mystery box kapag nag-deposit ka using this mode of deposit or options. Kapag nag-complete ka ng iyong KYC or identity verification, makakuha ka ng mystery box. Kapag nag-trade ka naman sa spot market, so kailangan mo lang mag-trade kahit isang trade sa spot market, you can unlock this mystery box. Kapag nag-trade ka ng fluky coin, you can also get a mystery box. And kapag nag-deposit ka naman using Transact, you can also get a mystery box. So, kapag meron ka ng mystery box, if you will open that, magkakaroon ka ng chance na makakuha ng free cryptos and free USDT. So, dito naman makikita mo yung assets mo. So, yung deposit, withdraw, buy crypto, internal transfer, and coupon. So, ito naman yung mga open orders mo for futures, market, and spot market, yung pinakita natin kanina. Dito naman yung account mo. So, very easy to use platform. Napaka-efficient, napakaganda ng interface, multiple markets in one place, with copy trading, with mystery boxes, and very low fees in trading fees. So, ano pa bang hinahanap mo sa isang platform? Kung nag-trade ka ng crypto ngayon, transfer mo na yung asset mo dito, at dito ka na magsimulang mag-grow ng iyong account in BitYard Platform. Alright? So, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.